How should the seatbelt fit a child using a belt positioning booster seat? Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician, and let's talk about the basics of a safe seatbelt fit for a kid using a booster. A belt positioning booster is a device that allows a child to safely use an adult-sized piece of safety equipment, the vehicle seatbelt. It positions the seatbelt across the strongest bones of a child's body so that the seatbelt catches the child by those strong bones, not by their soft internal organs and spine. In a safe seatbelt fit, we want the lap belt low on the hips, touching the tops of their thighs, and even across the torso, centered between the neck and the end of the child's shoulder and making contact with their body. Always read your booster seat's manual to confirm the way the lap belt should be routed with relation to the armrests, and raise or lower the headrest of your booster so that it places the belt guide just above the child's shoulders. For a child in a backless booster seat, again, we want the lap belt low on the hips, touching the tops of the thighs, shoulder belt even across the torso, centered between the neck and the end of the shoulder, and making contact with the child's body. You may need to use the belt positioning clip that came with your booster seat to achieve a proper shoulder belt fit. And as always, read your booster seat's manual and labels to confirm the routing of the lap belt and shoulder belt in relation to the booster's armrests. On most boosters, the lap belt goes under the armrests on both sides of the booster, and the shoulder belt also goes under the armrest on the buckle side, but there are just a few exceptions to that rule on the market, so always read and confirm in your manual. Because seat belts are an adult-sized piece of safety equipment, kids do need to be close to adult size before they can safely use the seat belt without the positioning of a booster. Focus on a safe seatbelt fit, not age, when it comes to graduating your child out of their booster seat into the vehicle seatbelt alone. Kids should be at least 57 inches tall, which is 4'9", and pass all 5 of these steps for a safe seatbelt fit before they stop using a booster seat. Some kids may not fit until they're closer to 59 or 60 inches tall, depending on their build and the vehicles they're riding in. And there are boosters on the market that have height limits of 60 to 63 inches so that we can keep kids in them until they truly fit the seatbelt safely. If you need a list of booster seats with height limits beyond 57 inches, check out my booster seats playlist. Always read and follow your booster seat and vehicle owner's manuals and get help from a CPST if you have questions.